Do it again. Do it again. See what we mean?
She doesn't have the hands down.
Her head up.
Yeah, she doesn't have the hand thing down, but she has the leg thing down. Oh.
Are you gonna go?
You know, baby, she used to sleep on their tummies.
Maybe she'll do a flip.
They have tummy time. They don't, 'cause she's on her back all the time.
She's gone like halfway across the blanket.
You're almost there. Make it to the finish line, happy girl.
Okay, maybe that's enough.
When do they usually fall?
I thought it was more like 5 months, 6 months. Okay, that's it.